Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl and Guitar. We have Ali Gatie here again with us for numerous times now here on Girl and Guitar. Very guitar friendly song like it usually is from Ali, and we have 4 chords that we're gonna work with and a string pattern I'm gonna show you pretty soon. But first, let's go over the chords, and we will use the capo here set on the 1st fret. Okay, so capo on first. And we have the E minor first. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G as the next chord. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is the C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so before we go into the chord progressions here, we're going to learn the string pattern. And if you listen, you will have just one down and a clap. That is pretty much what's happening in the song. So for E minor here, if we start with that chord, it will be like this. Just like this. Alright, so down, clap. And I use the clap here on the E string. You could go sometimes on all the strings. I will explain the differences there. But for this type of playing here, one down and a clap, there's usually best to just do the claps on the E string because you normally want the string or sound to ring out here. So you don't want to kill the sound and hit all the strings like this because, yeah, it will be very boring to listen to and so on. So one down and a clap with a thumb or so on the E string, that's enough. And this song is pretty much played like that, one down and a clap. But you can also add up to this, so you can play down, down, clap, down. So for instance, like this. If you choose that string pattern, which fits the song perfectly well as well. So if you do that, then you can do the claps on all the strings because you're working on a lot more with the downs. So the sound is still coming there right after the clap. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Or like that. All right. So with that said, we're gonna take a look at the chord progressions here, and we have 2 different ones. So for the first 3 round of this first chord progression, you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna change it for the rest of the song. So the first one to start with is E minor. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord here. So E minor, then G, then D, and back to E minor, and that finishes 1 round. So it both starts and ends on E minor. So it's 3 different chords, but it's a 4 chord progression song here. So you're gonna play E minor, G, D, and E minor, then E minor, G, D, and E minor again. You do that for 3 rounds, okay? And then after these 3 rounds, you're gonna play E minor, G, D, and then the C major. All right, so that you will play from that point on until the very end of the song. So you start with 3 rounds of E minor, G, D, and E minor, 2 string rounds per chord, and then when you play that, just in the middle of the 2nd verse, in the lyrics, I'm on antidepressants, but I don't think they work for love. That's where you start the 4th round with the new chord progression E minor, G, D, and the C major. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord there as well, and you play that till the very end, like this. Or like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Alligator's Darling. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Leave a good feedback if you think that was disturbed. And hope to see you here very soon again. Till next time, play tuned.